Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, and now stop. Now push to the left. Try to stimulate the students to get into engineering, see what their interest is, and see how they can actually get into those fields.
My school let us have the opportunity to come here and learn more about STEM. I got to fly the plane, and I got to know how it was to be able to have the opportunity to just, I guess, experience how a real pilot would feel.
Here you go. Go ahead and take it. Let me know when it's good and I'll tighten it for you.
It was very fun, and I learned a lot of different things that I wouldn't have learned if I wasn't here. And I learned how the different wings and the body parts can impact the way that the pilot is flown, or the airplane is flown.
The main thing we're trying to inspire in the kids is engineering. Focus on, I try to tell them to think about what you like most. There are many, many fields of engineering. There are many, many segments of electrical engineering. There are segments of mechanical engineering. So you can decide what it is that you like to do most and focus more on that. Engineering is not just about men. It's not just about the guys. Girls can be engineers as well. So we have some female engineers here with us to say that, hey, look, I'm an engineer. If I can do it, you can do it as well.
It was fun.
It was fun?
Yes.
Just by looking at them, talking with them, and seeing the responses, oh, that was great. I love to do that. I want to know more about it. That's very exciting for me.
Just to see how everything's evolving and how innovation is changing the world.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. And then it's going to come back up, and keep going. Now you're safe. Breathe.
By coming here, it definitely opened my eyes and my view of the engineering, and I will definitely look more into it, and I'm definitely interested.